Good morning, dear student. This is the assistant teacher. Now take out your civics textbook and open chapter number 8, the rural livelihoods. Okay. So, dear children, in this lesson, now it is very much important to understand the life in a city. Okay, is much different from life in a village. As you know that the life of city is very much different than the life of village, that is rural area. Okay, so in rural area we have main occupation like agriculture. Okay, there we have main occupation like agriculture. However, we have manufacturing and services which are major part of the economic activity. That means in urban area, in cities area, we have manufacturing and services activity, okay, which are major part of the economic activities. Okay, so we have primary, secondary and tertiary activity, okay, mainly. And as you know that the primary activity includes the agriculture, then secondary activity include the manufacturing, while the tertiary activity includes the services sector. So as you know that the tertiary and the secondary means the manufacturing and the services formed urban lifestyle, and while the agricultural activity forms the rural life. So now let's start the lesson, the rural livelihoods. So dear children, in the first chapter, we looked at the many kind of diversity in our lives. Okay, that diversity means differentiation. Okay, we also explored how living in different regions has an effect on the work people do and the kinds of plants, trees, crops, or things that become important to them. Okay, then in this chapter we will also look at the different ways in which people earn their living in villages. Okay, and here too, as in the first two chapters, we will examine whether people have equal opportunities to earn a living. We will look at the similarities in life situation and the problems that they face. Understood? So first of all, just look at this picture, okay, carefully, and answer these questions. Describe the work that you see people doing in the above picture. Okay, so you can see there are lots of people here. Okay, some are picking the fruits. Okay, some are selling some the things that is, and some are doing their construction work, some are selling fruits. Okay, then few are just doing fishing, then and one is repairing their cycle, then another one is doing the agriculture. Okay, so identify the different type of work that they related to farming, and those are not list in this table. Okay, so farming, that means the agricultural, okay, and selling the vegetables. Okay, including the agricultural work. Then in your notebook, draw the picture of work that you have seen people do in rural areas and write a few sentences that describe the work. What you have to just do, you have to just draw one picture of village, okay, where people are doing their work, their occupation, like agricultural work and all other works. Okay, and then you have to write few sentences on them, that is the life of village, life of rural area. Okay, so this you have to do. Now turn on the next page. Here we have given some information about one village, that is Kalpattu village. So Kalpattu village that close to the sea coast in Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is close to the sea coast, ocean area, and in Tamil Nadu. So people here do many kind of work, as in other villages. Here too there is a non-farm work such as making baskets, utensils, pots, bricks, bullock carts, etc. Okay, so not only they are depend upon the agricultural activity, okay, but they also do some work, that is making basket, utensils, pots, bricks, bullock carts, etc. Okay, so there are people who provide services such as blacksmiths, nurses, teacher, washermen, weavers, barbers, cycle repair mechanics, and so on. Okay, that means these people give them that particular kind of works. So there are also some shopkeepers and traders in the main street which look like a bazaar. Okay, and you will find a variety of small shops such as tea shops, grocery shops, barber shops, a cloth shop, tailor, and two fertilizers and the seed shops. Okay, there are four tea shops which sell tiffin and such as idli, dosa, and upma in the morning, and snacks like vada, bonda, and Mysore Pak in the evening. Okay, so in this type we can see in most of the village area, lots of people do their work in the morning hours. So near the tea shops in a corner lives a blacksmith, a family whose home serves as a workshop. Okay, so next to their home is a cycle hire repair shop. Two families earn a living by washing clothes. There are some people who go to the nearby town to work as construction workers and lorry drivers. So in this type, besides the agriculture where there are lots of work, okay, done by the village people. Then the village is surrounded by low hills. Paddy in the main crop. Paddy is the main crop that is grown in irrigated lands. Okay, most of the families earn a living through the agriculture. Okay, though agriculture is the primary activity done by the villagers, so most of the people and most of the family earns a living through the agricultural activities. And there are some coconut groves around, and cotton, sugarcane, and plantain are also grown, and there are mango orchards. Let us now meet some people who work in the field in Kalpattu and see what we can learn about farming from them. Okay, so here they have given some information about the Kalpattu village. Okay, the people there make the baskets, utensils, pots and bricks, bullock carts, etc. Okay, and people who provide that services like blacksmith, nurses, teacher, washermen, weavers, and barbers. Okay, dear children, in today's video we have seen about the some basic things about the village area. Okay, and as you know that the agriculture is the primary occupation in the village area, but besides the agriculture they can do other work also related to the agriculture. Okay, that means in bazaar, okay, in market area they just we will find the variety of small shops also, like tea shops, grocery shop, barber shop, cloth shop, tailor, okay, and fertilizers and seed shops also. So beside the agricultural activity they can do lots of these works also. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.